Hello, y'all. Welcome to another episode of the Algebra Hour. So today we want to do some introduction to trigonometry. Trigonometry is this branch of mathematics. We study the relationship between the sides and the angles of triangle. They give more attention to right triangle. So in trigonometry, we have some functions which are called trigonometric functions. These are the ones that you want to learn today. The more basic one are sine, cosine, and tangent. So let's consider this triangle. It's a right triangle. A, B, and C are the sides of the triangle. C is the hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse is the longer side, is the side facing the right angle. So by definition, and I will call this angle theta. By definition, sine of theta is opposite of theta over hypotenuse. In this case, sine of theta will be A over C. Cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. In this case, cosine of theta will be what's the adjacent side? It's this side which is attached to the angle, but which is not the hypotenuse. So it's B in this case, B over C. And tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. And in this case, tangent of theta will be A over B. Another definition of tangent, let me do it here, is also tangent of theta is also sine of theta over cosine of theta. But as we saw earlier, what is sine of theta? Sine of theta is opposite of theta over hypotenuse divided by adjacent of theta over hypotenuse. Oh, I have two fractions here. So the first one, I take the first one, which is opposite of theta over hypotenuse. I multiply by the inverse of the second one, which is h over adjacent over theta. Therefore, this h cancel. I still end up with opposite of theta over adjacent of theta. And yes, opposite of theta over adjacent of theta, what is opposite? It's A over B. So this same definition come back here. So these are two definitions of tangent. So again, these were some introduction to some basic trigonometric function. Thanks again for watching the video. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment if you have any question, and be a good friend by sharing with your friend. Bye bye.